Okay, first you need to plug this use cable to the power adapter and then plug in the socket. Please remember power on, and then the Type-C plug in the camera Type-C charging part, and then wait a second, the cameras will some sounds to the cameras need some time to react, and then heard this sounds, it means the camera is power on. Okay, so you heard these two voice beep beep, it means the camera is waiting to pair. And then we open the app, add device, and please remember your phone Bluetooth is power on. Then add, enter your password, enter your Wi-Fi name and the correct password. Next. Okay, you can hear the dong dong dong. And the camera is the blinking blue. It means the camera is pairing. So just wait a second, wait the cameras to pair. Okay, and when you see the solid blue indicator light, it means the camera is added successfully and then done. Okay, so that's all the pairing process. It's very easy.